And a new health warning, a drug that is used in horses and cattle is being mixed with already dangerous street drugs.
Very scary. And with this one, overdose reversal drugs do not work. Meg Ferris has details.
There's yet another drug on the streets concerning doctors and officials, xylazine, also known as tranq. It's used regularly by veterinarians as a sedative and pain reliever in large animals. And now it's being mixed with street drugs like cocaine, heroin, and fentanyl. And even more concerning is if you stop breathing, Narcan won't reverse the overdose.
So there are some dangerous properties to xylazine. It's typically a cutting agent, which is put into other substances, which is sort of designed to extend the life of the product and maybe increase profit.
In the last 3 years in Jefferson Parish, 44 people who died using street drugs had tranq in their systems.
And that's why we're seeing it in fentanyl. It's increasing the euphoric effect. You decrease your respiration, it decreases your heart rate, and eventually they go unconscious. People taking the drug tend to black out and then go unconscious and then eventually die.
In Orleans Parish, the head of EMS warned of its increased use.
I've had conversations with the health department. The health department here in the city of New Orleans is already raising the alert flag, we need to be on the lookout for this, notifying UMC about the potential of needing to test for xylazine in overdose cases.
So City Council Vice President Helena Moreno has joined forces with Opelousas State Rep Dustin Miller. He plans to propose legislation to add xylazine to the state-controlled substance list. It's not federally controlled. This would flag it for coroners and law enforcement to test and go after those cutting drugs with it. We talked to one equine vet who said she's very concerned when something is abused on the streets and then becomes scheduled. She said that makes it harder to get and more expensive to get. And what happens after that is that cost has to be passed on to the customer. In the meantime, Councilwoman Moreno is especially concerned during carnival season.
So it's just really scary, and it's time to do something about, alerting the public that this is out there.
Meg Ferris, Eyewitness News.
The DEA says right now the drug is being seen mostly in the Northeast, but it is making its way down south.